Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn what is paragraph writing. Okay, so what is a paragraph writing? Actually, paragraph writing, it is a group of sentences. As you people have read about the sentence, that sentence is a group of words. But here you can see a paragraph is a group of sentences expressing connected series of thoughts. Okay, means your sentences, it should be connected to each other. Okay, then only it's going to give the complete thought. So expressing connected series of thoughts on a single topic. For example, any topic has been given to you, so on that topic there should be some group of sentences. Some sentences should be there, and all the sentences should be interrelated to each other. Okay, as you can see here, what are the qualities of a good paragraph? Arrange your ideas and write down the important points in a logical order in which they should be developed. So first of all, you have to arrange your ideas and write down the important points in a logical order in which they should be developed. Avoid the repetition and the irrelevant ideas. There should not be the repetition of the irrelevant ideas. Begin the paragraph with a striking sentence. A striking sentence means which having a great impact on the mind of the readers or the onlookers. Okay, so begin the paragraph with a striking sentence to express the main ideas to arouse the reader's interest. The sentence should be arranged in a logical order, and the paragraph should end with a sentence which sums up the passage. This is a very important point, that your sentence, that your paragraph writing, it should begin with some striking idea. Okay, and it should conclude, its ending point should be like that it sums up the passage, means concluding at the end overall. So the last point, it should contain the conclusion of that or result of that. Okay, a paragraph should read as a complete and coherent piece of composition. Okay, as you have seen the same things in the essay writing also, but the difference is that in essay writing, it consists of certain paragraphs. Okay, in essay we used to write so many different paragraphs, no, and the paragraphs are arranged like this. Here we have to arrange the sentences. In that essay writing, we have to arrange the paragraphs. Okay, so this is also a piece of writing which consists of a group of sentences expressing connected series of thoughts on a single topic. So here you can see, I think that some of you have got the books also. So you can see in your book that is certain examples are also given. So this first one, that is, should man learn how to cook? Okay, here you can see in your book there's some examples are given, and certain topics are also given to write it by yourself. Okay, as due to this situation, I'm just simply giving you to write it, but from the next time we have to practice also to write it by yourself. Okay, because always on every time you are not going to get the written topic only. You will get the topic in exam only, and randomly you will get there, and you have to make the ideas, form the idea and write it by yourself. So you have to just practice these points also. Okay, in your free time you can practice this paragraph writing on these topics. These topics are actually not very tough. Okay, so for the time being you have to prepare these two paragraphs. Should man learn how to cook means, for men, is it important to learn how to cook? Okay, so on this topic you have to express here your ideas. And the second topic, that is, when a UFO landed in my school playground. Just you have to imagine that a UFO landed in your school playground. UFO, you know na, that is unidentified flying object. So UFO has been landed in your school playground. So what's the reaction of yours, of your colleagues, of your friends, everyone? what happened like this. So you have to describe that. Okay, so thank you and have a good day.